We're installing a slider kit on the 2012 Dodge 2500 with the wraparound kit. We got the slider roller assembly here, the head, the Dodge wraparound bracket kit, and the rail kit pieces here. Now we've already dropped the spare tire to give us access for underneath to bolt everything on. And we're just getting started on the project, so we'll be back with you with... Here we're just starting to mount the rail kits. Got the slider thing positioning the rail kits of the correct amount apart and measurements from the back to get it in the correct position. Mounting brackets underneath the drill holes through the bracket kit. Here we have the 16K Curt fifth wheel slider installed. Complete on the 2012 Dodge.